Welcome to our YouTube channel, friends. To make this recipe of lotus stem, we need cold pressed organic mustard oil. We need Asafoetida, Cumin seeds, Garam masala, turmeric, coriander powder, red chilli, rock salt. We need mango powder, dry mango, we call it amchur in Hindi. And then we need lotus stem. Cut them slant and boil them. Lotus stem is very nutritious. It contains vitamin C and many other important nutrients. And also it contains fiber. And taste is really very good. You can use it as a starter and it can really boost your appetite. So you can see the shape. It has a unique design, as we all know. We will take a deep fry pan and pour some oil. We are going to use very less oil. That is cold pressed organic mustard oil, which is good for health. We are going to put Asafoetida. After the oil is hot, it gives a unique taste. We will add cumin seeds, and wow, it smells so good. Coriander powder, chilli, red chilli, turmeric, rock salt, garam masala, and then dry mango. It is in powdered form. Now mix it well. And then finally we put slices of lotus stem. Mix them well. This will hardly take 2 to 3 to 4 minutes only. This is a very quick recipe. Mix them well, keep on mixing them. And you can see that there is hardly any oil visible. This is almost dry. Mix them well, keep mixing them. It will give a nice color and texture, and it is smelling really very nice. So once you have mixed them properly, you can start serving it. For serving, you will need a serving plate and you can serve them hot with some onion, green chutney, green chili, and a lemon piece. So you will love it actually. If you like this video, I request you to like it, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon so that it can keep us motivated to bring in more and more new recipes for you. Be healthy always. Thank you for watching this video.